There's nothing like spending a nice day in the great outdoors of Orange County. If you're a person who'd like to give back to our Orange County parks and open space preserves, join the OC Parks Trail Crew or Restoration Team.
OC Parks owns and operates 60,000 acres of land throughout Orange County, encompassing miles of trail systems in regional, coastal, and wilderness parks. Keeping our parks clean and thriving for visitors to enjoy takes the support of the community, including the valuable efforts of trail crew and restoration volunteers. Trail crew and restoration volunteers help the local lands in many ways. Invasive weed removal is a vital contribution that helps Orange County's native plants and animals thrive. Removing harmful invasive weeds makes room for native species that provide food and shelter for local wildlife. Planting a variety of coastal sage scrub species, trees, and other plants along the trail helps to repair damage and deter visitors from wandering off trail and into danger. Caring for the trails is an important job. Volunteers help pick up trash and clear away brush that's a fire hazard or harmful to the public. Volunteers can also help water native plants and assist with park attractions like native demonstration gardens and butterfly gardens. In addition to enjoying the outdoors and meeting new people, trail crew and restoration volunteers have the unique opportunity to preserve Orange County parks and future generations to enjoy. It's a wonderful way to enjoy fresh air while engaging with the community.
Visit ocparks.com for more information and to fill out an interest form.